Here is a TestSprite AI review. TestSprite is accessible on Google Chrome and Safari. It is a built for modern coders and the AI agent that tests, fixes, and validates your software. As you can see, if you're a beginner, you can go ahead and watch its first tutorial on the YouTube channel that is given on their page. It seamlessly integrates with your favorite AI-powered editors such as Cursor, Track, Windsurf, Visual Studio Code, and more. Actually, it is a one page for all the coders that you need. It is the first fully automated testing agent in your IDE, perfect for anyone building with AI, and you already code 10 times faster than the other coding applications or websites that you use. You can also understand what you want by just uploading the file. All the codes that has been suggested will be now shown to you need, and then it will validate what you have. You can have suggestions on your end, and it will now suggest what you need on the codings that you will need. TestSprite AI is good for beginners and for professionals. So if you're looking for a very nice coding application or website on your end, TestSprite is the right one for you.